In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade skin tone in Capture One. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow to get natural, even skin tones using the tools built specifically for portraits. This process is great, whether you're working on a clean studio shot or a candid portrait with mixed lighting. Start by selecting your portrait image in Capture One so you can focus your adjustments on a single frame. Then, head to the Color Tool tab and open the Color Editor. Inside the Color Editor, switch to the Skin Tone tab. This mode is designed specifically for natural skin adjustments and behaves differently from the basic or advanced modes. It prioritizes subtle, realistic results without stripping away texture. Next, grab the color picker and sample a neutral area of the skin. Good spots are the forehead, the cheek, or the neck, somewhere that represents the overall complexion without strong color shifts. Try to avoid sampling over makeup, intense highlights, deep shadows, or areas with color casts. If you can, zoom in and click on an area that looks like a true mid-tone for that person's skin. This sets your reference hue for the corrections that follow. With your sample chosen, use the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders to dial in the overall look. Adjusting hue shifts the skin tone cooler or warmer to help correct unwanted color casts. Saturation controls how intense the color looks. Small reductions can tame redness or blotchiness, while slight increases can add life to a dull image. Lightness sets how bright or dark the skin appears. Subtle moves here can balance the face with the neck, or bring out detail in softly lit areas. Work slowly, and watch how the adjustments affect the entire sampled range. Now, refine with the uniformity sliders. Uniformity gently pulls variations in the selected skin colors closer to your sampled hue, which helps even out patchy tones and inconsistencies from lighting or makeup. This is powerful for achieving a cohesive look across the face and neck while keeping natural texture intact. Apply it with a light touch. Too much uniformity can make skin look flat or plasticky. A good approach is to increase it gradually until uneven areas blend nicely, then back off slightly to retain realism. Once everything looks consistent and natural, you're done. This workflow keeps skin tones balanced, preserves texture, and helps your portraits feel polished without looking overprocessed.